Every organization today is operating under the same assumption that cybersecurity is about prevention, that if you deploy enough tools, controls, and frameworks, you won't be compromised. That assumption is wrong. The reality is this: compromise is not a possibility, it is an inevitability. Modern cybersecurity frameworks were never designed for persistent adversaries, supply chain compromise, or nation state operations. They were designed to reduce risk, not to enforce control. I am Jordan. I am here to present the Zero Doctrine, created by Manuel W. Lloyd, author of the Cybersecurity Constitution and architect of the Interopsis framework. What you're about to see is not a product, it is a complete redefinition of cyber authority. Zero Doctrine is a sovereign cybersecurity doctrine built on three non-negotiable pillars: zero internet, zero exposure, and zero cross-contamination. This is not guidance, these are constraints. If a system cannot operate within those constraints, it is not secure. Instead of protecting systems connected to hostile terrain, we remove dependency on that terrain entirely. Sensitive operations are executed inside sovereign enclaves, isolated controlled environments where access, execution, and data movement are governed at the architectural level. The Interopsis framework operationalizes the doctrine. It integrates human decision-making, system control, and AI enforcement into a unified cyber authority layer. This is not security as a toolset. This is security as governance and control. The Cybersecurity Constitution is the governing authority behind everything. It defines what is allowed, what is denied, and how systems must operate under compromise, not as policy, but as enforceable law within your architecture. Enforcement happens through doctrine protocols: DNA for data compartmentalization, Stealth for isolated execution, TrustNet for identity and authority governance, and Titan AI for real-time defense. These are control systems designed to eliminate dependency and lateral movement. Doctrine is not declared, it is validated. Secure Train places your organization inside controlled conflict scenarios, simulating real-world compromise conditions across systems, people, and leadership. You don't learn theory, you demonstrate whether your environment survives. Engagement begins with a sovereign cyber doctrine brief. This is not a sales call. It is a structured evaluation of your current cyber posture against doctrinal reality. From there, we move through evidence-based assessment, controlled pilot execution, and validation. No assumptions, no shortcuts. Zero Doctrine is delivered through a sovereign licensing model. You are not purchasing tools. You are establishing a governed cyber environment with enforceable authority. This ensures integrity of the doctrine, control of implementation, and mission alignment. Every organization today is asking the wrong question: how do we prevent compromise? The correct question is, who has authority when compromise occurs? Because if you do not control your system under compromise, you never controlled it at all. If your mission requires survivability, operational control, and sovereign cyber authority, request a sovereign cyber doctrine brief. This is not incremental security. This is Zero Doctrine. For agencies seeking sovereign, AI-assured cyber operations, Zero Doctrine is available through pilot and licensing engagements. To request a doctrinal briefing or initiate a pilot evaluation, contact Manuel W. Lloyd, founder of Interopsis.